Salutare. Hello. Hello. I've made a Python program to learn German actually, and of course I would like to add all the phrases to a special folder. I mean to a special file. No, they are not from this lesson. The idea is that I have unwelcome message. Here is the main. I'm printing welcome to the German learning app, and then I have the options, and if I go to the options, here I have a small menu, add a new phrase, practice the phrases with the translations, assess your knowledge, and exit. It's quite simple. And then if I go back to the main, I have a thank you message. Welcome more, thank you for your contribution. And then I have the practice with translation. And I have the assessment. Well, this is not defined yet. However, if I run the program, what the program will do, we'll see here. So, welcome to the German app. What do you want to do? And I'll press 1. Add a new phrase to the lesson. So I'll pick option 1. Geben Sie den Satz bitte auf Deutsch ein. So I will type auf. Auf Wiedersehen. It's please enter the English pronunciation. It's goodbye. I am having the Deutsch keyboard and introdu te rog traducerea în română. La revedere. So thank you for your contribution. And right now, what do you want to do more? So if I go here, okay, as you can see, here I need to do something to add me also the English translation. So I will have to do welcome practice is the first one. And let's check raw and then English. Okay, right now it should work fine. And if I go back and I erase this entry, save the file and play it again, I have entered the welcome to the German, add option 1, and then please enter the translation and is auf jeder English translation is goodbye and okay, thank you for your contribution. What do you want to do? And if I type right now to like practice the phrases with translations, I guess I don't have the English translation here. Practice with translation. Okay, and I want to have the translation in Romanian, then translation in English, and then translation in German. And I guess my battery, as you can see, it's 5 a.m. My battery is close. I have to close this one and type it again. And now, if I go here and type chew, I have all the phrases from this document. So, bună, hello, bună tuturor, hello everyone, hello ale zusammen, bună dimineața, good morning, guten Morgen, mulțumesc, thank you, danke, mii de mulțumiri, many thanks, vielen Dank. Numele meu este Victor, aici ar trebui să adaug ceva. I have to. One moment. My name is Victor. Ich heiße. Sunt Victor. I am. I am a Victor. Okay, and use all the sign. Yeah. Okay, medium. Okay. And that's it for now. I will stop. And this is the progress I have now at 19 September.